Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Paris. I make videos relating to lifestyle, fashion, and beauty. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how I do my braid out. This is the outcome, if you're wondering. You know. So if you like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Also, don't forget to watch my other videos if you like this one and figure out if you want to subscribe to my channel, or just subscribe if you want to be nice today. If you end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up down below and comment down your favorite curly hair product, because I'm trying to venture out from Cantu because I heard it's really bad for your hair. So just let me know what other products you love. Let's get into the video. Okay, so for today's braid out, I usually use the Cantu curling cream, but today is my deep condition day, or my mask day, whatever you want to call it. So today I'll be using the deep treatment mask, and what I notice when I use a mask is that my hair is more flat than when I use my actual curling cream by Cantu. And you'll also need two hair ties. I have one in my hair and one in my wrist, and then a brush. So I'm going to start by letting my hair down and then dividing it into 4 sections. So down the middle and then down the middle this way. If you see my rice water video, you already know how I do this for the most part. Well, in that video, I just did it with the rice water. I had nothing in my hair. And then I'm going to put this side up. Bun like that. Then I'm going to do it this way. And then put this up in a little bun. So I have this big section in the back. So now what I'm gonna do is divide that into 4. Well, I'm just gonna divide into a half section. So I'm just gonna go like this. And so see the top half and the bottom half. I'm gonna get the top half and wrap it around this bun for now. And then divide this bottom half into 2 vertically. I'm just gonna hold it like that. And then I'm gonna get whatever cream you use. Right now I'm using my mask, deep treatment mask by Cantu. I know a lot of people don't like Cantu, but it works for my hair, so this is what I use. I'm just gonna take a little bit like this and then rub it in my hands and then put it on this little section. And then I'm going to brush it out. I usually don't brush it out, but since today is my deep treatment mask day, I'm going to brush it out. But usually I would not brush it out. I would just brush it out with like my fingers, just run through like that. But if you feel like brushing it out, because if you brush it out, it'll get that smoother laid down look. But if you don't brush it out, it'll be more wild. So if you want it more wild, don't brush it out. If you want it more slick down, brush it out. And I'm just going to braid it. And what I do is I will either wrap it with the baby rubber bands, or I will do this. I will get the end and swirl it around my finger like this, so it's like curly at the end. So if you want that little curly effect at the end, I would recommend doing it the way I did it right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna, sit here and do it, and you guys can just watch me do it. So this is the finished product. After I braided them all the sections up, I just put them two little ponytails. But yeah, that's how they look. And I will show you guys the finished product tomorrow. Bye guys. Okay guys, so it's the next day. It's actually at night in the next day because I didn't really plan on doing my hair today since I wasn't going anywhere. So I just wore it out like this. I took the braids out, the ponytails out, and I just wore it like this. But I'm gonna unbraid it so you guys can see how I wear my hair after and how it looks after. So when I undo it, I just put the top up like this, and then I unbraid the bottom first and then unbraid the top. But basically what you're gonna do is unbraid it, but you're just gonna be, I just like to be careful at first to not really mess up the curls. You just want to stay 3 strands in the beginning, and then after I undo my whole head, then that's when I start to like separate the curls. So just like that. And now that you guys know, I'm gonna come back when my hair is done. Bye. Okay, so I've taken all of my hair out. This is how it looks. I usually finger comb it like this, so it's poofier. You see how, look, the difference? And then I will get a curling mousse or a curling foam and put it on top. I usually use something like this, Cantu Wave Whip curling mousse, or I'll use like any curling mousse I have, whatever. I tried to find my other one that I use more than this one. I just started using this one, but I tried to find my other one, but I couldn't find it for some reason. Anyways, I'll show you. So I'll just do like 3 pumps and then rub it into my hand a little bit, so it's like that, and then just do the ends. I won't really go on the tops because my ends get like frizzy sometimes. So this is how this side will look. And then I'll do another 3 pumps and do the other side. And of course the front part of your hair is the most important because that's what people see when they first look at you. So I try to get the front the most. But yeah. This is how my hair looks after I braid it out. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you stuck around to the end, please comment down your favorite hair product or what brand I should try other than Cantu, because I'm trying to venture out, but I don't really know what else to try because I heard Cantu is bad, so I guess I'm gonna stop using it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below and go watch my other videos and just subscribe to my channel. Also follow my other socials on TikTok and Instagram at Paris.s, at PERRIS.s for more content. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.